Hello, welcome back to my new logo design live project. In this tutorial, I will show how do I design a logo for my client for $60. So let's start the video. This is the creative brief. This logo will be for media and entertainment. But modern, professional, and sleek. Now I'm searching for concept generating. I've done. So let's open Adobe Illustrator. Create a new document. Go to the rectangular tool and make a shape. None the fill color and increase the stroke size. Make a line. Make a copy by holding the Alt key. Select all and go to the scissors tool and click here and here. Select this and delete. Select all and go to the Shape Builder tool and delete this path. Select with the Direct Selection tool and join it. Select and right-click, go to Transform and Reflect vertically to make a copy. Rotate it. Again, reflect it. Select this line and delete it with the scissors tool. Select all and increase the stroke size. Make round join and round cap. Go to rectangular polygon and make a shape. Make it small and rotate it. Swipe the stroke to the fill color. Make the corner 2 pixels. Yes, this is perfect. Type the logo name. Yes, this is perfect. I hope you found this tutorial helpful. If you have any questions or feedback, please let us know in the comments below. Thanks for watching.